In this video, you will learn about the best practices for the transform map and the field maps. A transform map is required for every import set operation. For the purpose of this video, here's a list of all the out-of-the-box transfer maps. We will be opening this transfer map notification. Here you can see the source table is IMP_notification and the target table is incident. Also, the field Run Business Rules is checked to run business rules workflows auditing when the data is inserted or updated in the target table. Enforce mandatory fields defines the mandatory field behavior when the data is inserted or updated. Here we can see these three options here. Selecting no option will not enforce a mandatory field value check. Only mapped field option will ensure the record creation where only mapped fields will be checked for the mandatory field value. And all fields option will enforce a mandatory value check for all the fields. Then we have the copy empty fields. This field is checked to copy values and override the existing target values. Moving on to the next one, which is create new record on empty coalesce fields. Checking this box will define whether a new record should be created when all coalesce fields are empty, instead of ignoring the records or overriding an existing record. We also have a very important field here called the order field. This operation defines the order the transform map when there is more than one transform map for a single data source. As we scroll down, we will see the field maps here. The field map defines what fields from the source table is mapped to which field on the target table. Now let's open one of them and you can see a field map for the category field. You can see the source table and the source field and the target table and the target field. The choice action field defines the action to be taken when a reference or choice doesn't exist in the target table. For example, if any values in the category field, which is not available on the target field. In that case, this choice action will specify what action needs to be performed, whether the new data should be created, ignored, or rejected. And then we have the coalesce field. This function is important since configuring a target field to coalesce makes it a unique key. And if this value is checked, and a match is found, it will update the record when the transform map runs instead of creating a new one. And if it is not found, the import set applications always creates new fields for each transformation. Thank you.